and use the applications here. And this is how an application can be built on iPhone. And remember one thing, you need the mobile provision and ad hoc to build the application on iPhone. So please collect it before you build the application on the iPhone. And in the next video we'll demonstrate how to build an application for the App Store. Thank you. Now we will show you how to build an application for the App Store submission. You know, in the Apple Store you can submit the developed application with developer provisioning profile. So you have to build it for the Apple Store little differently. Please look at this screen. You have to go to the root of this applications project, double click it, and then go to the build step. And in the build step you have to select the iPhone distribution, not the iPhone developer. And you have to select the iPhone distribution here, and in the configuration tab you will see there are two selections here, debug and release. Now you have to copy the debug, and here you can see the duplicate button here. Click the duplicate and you will get a duplicate, and from here you have to write distribution. You can see I have right here distribution. I am saying again, in the configuration tab you will find two selections, debug and release. You have to duplicate any of them. Click duplicate and then rename it to distribution. And in the build tab you have already seen, you have to select the iPhone distribution and then close this. And again from the targets tab, expand the targets tab and select, double click on this app name, and from the build tab you have to select iPhone distribution. It is already done, but you have to recheck it. And here in the properties you have to select, you have to write com.yourcompany. In the your company text you have to change it with your company name. Here we have changed it in the Prolog INC with Prolog INC, and then close this window. Now you can see here there are three active configurations: debug, distribution and release. You have to select the distribution from active configuration. I am viewing it again. From the active configuration you have to select the distribution, and then you have to select the iPhone device. Which device do you want to build? Like we have selected here iPhone device 2.2.1, and then clean all the solution. Clean all. If you don't have the clean all button here, you have to click on this area and right button and then customize toolbar. Then drag the clean all button to this area, and clean all is existed here now. Click done and then press clean all. The all current builds will be cleaned, and now we can build for the Apple Store. Remember again, we have to select the iPhone device in which target we are building for the Apple Store, and here the distribution. Everything is okay now. Now we just press the build button. Build. It's building now, and build is succeeded. We are done for the Apple Store build. Now we go to the project folder, from which folder we have opened this project, and go to the builds folder. And here you can see distribution iPhone OS. A folder has created named distribution iPhone OS. Double click it and you will get the app in this icon. Here the icon is iPhone Big Books, and you have to zip this file and upload it to the Apple Store. you have to compress it, and you have to send this compressed file to the Apple Store. I am saying it again. There will be a folder in the builds folder called distribution iPhone OS, and you will find the Apple application here. You have to zip it and upload it to the Apple Store, and that's how you have to build an application for Apple Store. Thank you.